Hey guys, MakeupSy here. Welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm gonna look crazy on the intro. I just feel like this is just like an everyday thing, and I know. So my brows are already done. As you guys know, if you haven't seen that tutorial, please click the link above and it's gonna head you over to my brow tutorial. But today we're gonna do something really creative. I didn't say all those reallys like it's gonna be really creative. It's gonna be creative because of the glitter. I mean, it ain't gonna be too spectacular. But before we get into this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join this team, join the squad. What are you doing? Enough talking, let's get into this tutorial and let's get the slaying. Let go. Okay, so right now I am taking my moderate neutral palette, as you guys seen on my previous video, and I'm taking this orange shade on a Wet n Wild small blending brush, and I'm just packing it on. I'm not doing any blending just yet. So I'm just blending out the edges, just having a smooth canvas, if that makes sense. And then we're gonna hop straight to the next color. So I'm taking this, this is like a burnt orange, almost, it's a little bit lighter than the original burnt orange, and I'm just putting it right underneath that first transition shade that we have. And yes, I'm blending this one out, and then we're gonna, you know, blend those two colors together. So with that first brush, I am basically just blending those two colors seamlessly together. I'm not doing it too hard. I'm just switching back and forth brushes because I'm going to be doing a lot of blending for this look. So next I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, and I'm using it on the very small blending brush. This is their black shade, and I'm telling you guys, this is the blackest black shade ever. Like, I've had so many palettes where the black looks more so gray than it is black, but yes, it's this shade right here. Oh, and I'm gonna make like a little mistake, but that's okay because we're gonna blend it out. So I'm just basically taking my time, like building up that black shade, and forming my, it's not a cut crease, so I'm just basically forming where I want my smoky eyes to be. So take your time with this part, because if you blend too much, it's going to look really messy. So find you a very small precision brush and you'll be fine. So next I am taking the burgundy shade and basically blending out that black, blending it into the transition shades. Going back in with that first brush, that black brush, and just basically bringing back that black shade. Okay, so now I am taking this black gel liner. I got this from Amazon, so I'll be sure to put the link below. And I'm taking it on a very small, I think this is like a lipstick brush, I'm not even sure, but I'm just patting it on very lightly. And I'm going to be using my fingers to basically blend it out, because I find that a brush, it blends it out way too much, whereas your hand has way more control and it can take some of that product off of there. So, I mean, it's just a friendly tip. Okay, so now that that color is on there, I mean that gel liner is on there, we're going to be taking that black shade on a flat eyeshadow brush and basically packing it on. Now with this step, you want to be very, very careful not to blend it up too far. Just really pat it in very, very softly. You don't want to really do too much because it's already blended out, so take your time with this. Once you got that on there, I am taking that burgundy brush that we use and taking a little bit extra product, tapping it off, and basically blending out that black shade. Yeah, I'm going in with my iMagic glitter palette, and it's so pretty. I am taking this like that is a royal blue and like a frosty blue, and basically packing it onto my lid. And I always use my fingers because, like I said, you don't want to blend too much. When you're using a brush, it doesn't take off a lot of product, and you can control where you pretty much want the glitter to go. So you can use any color glitter that you want. I just like the frosty black look. It just gives it a really Halloween-y vibe to it. So okay, now that the eye is complete, I'm gonna finish my foundation in 5, 4, 3, 2. I added the black lipstick. This is just a regular beauty supply black lipstick. I'm pretty sure it's Ruby Kisses. It's their matte black, and I just added that on there. If you would like to see my foundation routine, as always, click the link above and head over to that video. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Always feel free to subscribe before you guys leave. Don't forget to comment on this video, like this video as well, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.